Good afternoon and happy Thursday, everyone. It is Scott Wohlers with River Place Capital. It is Thursday, January the 12th, and I wanted to wish everyone a very happy new year. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season. As you can tell, for me, it's a new year and a new office. So get used to seeing this background, a little bit different than what I'm accustomed to, but want to touch briefly on what equity markets did last week, and we got off to a positive start so far year to date, with the S&P 500 finishing the week up 1.45%. The mid-cap index, as measured by the S&P 400, was up even more, up 2.45%. So a great start to the season, or to the year, I mean. And as we headed into 23, consensus on Wall Street for most of the people that you would speak to has been that we are going to enter into a recession in 2023. Whether it's the first half, the back half, the Fed was going to put us into a recession, that things are going to slow down tremendously, and that it's just inevitable. However, one of the things that we're seeing, and what we do, and we've talked about it many times before on the technical side, is we track money flows here at River Place Capital, and that really tells us, is money coming in? Is there more buying pressure or selling pressure in the overall market? Not market cap weighted or anything like that. It's equal weighted. Is there more buying pressure than selling pressure in the market? And we are seeing some sectors that you would say, if we were heading into a recession, probably shouldn't be leadership. But we are showing with the energy sector at 95% positive money flows, the industrial sector at 88% stocks with positive money flows. Those are two sectors that are very economically sensitive, and they're actually what's leading the market higher. Now, we've had a nice rally here this week in growth, as growth is the one that was beaten down tremendously last year over value. But we still believe over the next 6 months, until the Fed is done with their tightening or with their raising rates, that we believe that value is still going to be the leadership in the equity markets moving forward. And most importantly, we also got some inflationary data today, which is continuing to show that inflation is coming down. And actually, for the month of December, it was down 0.1% month over month. So from November of 22 to December of 22, you were actually down in inflation. So inflation is coming down. So while everyone is telling you that we are heading to a recession, you know what we might do here at River Place is I think we're going to take the other side of that and say that it is possible for us to still have a soft landing here, and the money is telling us that. It's nothing that we are profound on, but whenever a consensus shifts wholeheartedly one way, oftentimes what I've learned, and an old adage is, whenever everyone's going upstream, head downstream. Take the opposite side of that bet, and you might find yourself doing well. So again, we have positive money flows into equities to start the year, which is encouraging. We've actually seen positive money flows since July of last year heading into this market. So you have people coming out saying we've got a big drop ahead of us. Well, 2022 in the equity markets, if you ask us, was pricing in the inevitable recession in 23. So say we do get the recession in 23. I'm wrong, and we do get a recession. What new is not priced into the equity markets? So as always, if you have questions about what's going on with your individual portfolio and how to navigate through these volatile times, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you and talk you through it and give you our best perspective on what we see in the markets. So I hope everyone has a wonderful and blessed 2023. I hope the first 2 weeks so far in the equity markets are indicative of the year to come. Oftentimes, the old adage in Wall Street is what January sets the tone for the year. So let's hope that we have a great year and a great recovery this year. But as always, if you have questions, give us a call. You can reach us at 904-346-3460. Or as always, check us out online at www.riverplacecapital.com. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll talk to you next week. Thanks so much.